Hi friends, welcome to PNK Stocks YouTube channel. Some of my friends asked me to show the live trading how I do, and then as I work in the night, only I'll get a Monday opportunity to trade. So today I have been in this four trades. See, these prices are moving here. It's a live trade. And Adani ports, I booked the profit. This is the first order that I booked the profit. And Grasim also I booked one lot. Now I placed a stop loss target order for Hindustan Petroleum. So if you see the Grasim thing, so I purchased somewhere here when prices move above this thing, and ADX is the momentum indicator still at showing positive. So I'll be holding this till a candle dips from this moving average and become red. Till then I'll be holding, or else we'll be closing by end of the day. And then I took another trade in National Aluminium, but it's not moving as I planned, but still momentum is showing high, and then stock price didn't close below this, so I'm still holding. And Hindustan Petroleum, probably I need to get out if this candle closes, and even momentum is getting dipped, so probably I'll be closing this as soon as possible. So don't get carried away by seeing my trades. Just I want to tell you, if you have a conviction, you have a proper plan, and willingness to learn. Again, I told you in my first video, learning is not in a day or a week or a month. You should give at least 1 or more years. Then only you'll come to know how one can trade and get profits. Otherwise, you'll be losing all your money. Even I'll have some losses as well, but overall, I told you in the second video that if you maintain 40% success rate, the strategies which give 40% or more will be benefited. Even if I maintain 60%, I'll be in a very good profit by end of the month. So you need not see that daily basis that what profit that you are getting, but you should be planning for a month. Now as I become some pro trader kind of a thing, where I have a lot of years experience, instead of equity cash market, that is buying a stock, see National Aluminium chart, I can buy this 100 quantity or 200 quantity. Instead of that, I purchased call option where 7500 quantity I purchased, and that premium is 2.05 I believe when I purchased. So now if you have become advanced trader kind of a thing, then you can go for futures and options. But those people doesn't have proper experience. If you get into this, then you'll be wind up in your entire capital. So a new person should start with equity with at least 10 quantity and see your success rate. Your success rate is one in the same for at least 1 year. Then you can plan for other thing, futures or options. But don't get into options or futures in your first year itself. You need a lot of experience, market fluctuations. You need to understand even VIX, all the stuff, where futures and options works with VIX. If VIX is positive, then your calls or puts, when you buy, then your price will appreciate. When VIX is down, then your calls or puts doesn't appreciate. So there are a lot of things. So slowly I'll be giving all the information in my channel. So how to pull a beginner to advanced level, so I'll be explaining each and everything. So please subscribe to my channel and also like all the videos. If you straight away jump into this video, then please go to the first video onwards and understand how exactly I'll be doing the thing which I'm projecting over there is that what I do, how I learn, and which are the important key things to learn. See, I spent lot many years to acquire these skills and spent 5 to 7 lakhs money with international and national mentors, and then I found that that kind of a knowledge not required to successful in the market. Basic information is enough, so I'll be giving all the required information and then strategies how to become successful trader, and then the same thing you can also can achieve. So please be patient and go through all the videos. My request, if you like my videos and subscribe, probably I'll be adding more information and strategies very soon. So uh, you should not take based on my purchases or my holdings in the stock market. If you want to go through anything, then please consult your financial advisor. And main thing, you should not copy trades. You need to understand the process, and you need to do a back testing, and then when you want to go live, then do with a minimum quantity, where if that become a loss, then it should not hurt you. Then you need to test the water with a little bit more quantity. So again, you need to think in a educational perspective, like you spent lot many years to complete your graduation, a post graduation MS, when you become 20. So now almost 15 to 20 years experience that you gained. At least for stock market, you need to spend minimum 1 to 2 years, and then you need to put your real money. Till then, do only uh, virtual trading. I'll be giving more information in my channel. So uh, probably I'm targeting here 15,000. If I get 15,000, I'll be closing all the positions. My target today for 15,000. If I get 15,000, I'll be closing all the positions. I'm not going to wait for single position to get 5,000 or 4,000, whatever. If I get overall 15,000, then I'll be closing. you know uh, Thank you and bye bye. Please subscribe my channel and also like my videos.